Today, in this video, we will talk about how to cancel Yuka Premium subscription. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, you can cancel your subscription from the platform you used to make your payment. Method 1. Cancel Yuka subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Select Yuka app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a Yuka Premium subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Yuka from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And follow the prompts and you are done. Method 3. Cancel paid subscription on the Yuka website. Open the Yuka application. Click on the three dots at the top right of your screen. Click on Account, then on Manage My Subscription, then on Cancel My Subscription. Follow the instructions to cancel your subscription. And you are done. To cancel your subscription renewal now, simply send an email to hello@yuka.io. Email format you can see on your screen. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Yuka Premium subscription. Hopefully this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.